U inti għat li your mother didn't know you were gay at the time. Did you know you were gay?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
At 8?
I don't know. You have to.
Oh, no, I don't even think I liked... I don't even think about... I liked Pikachu. That's what I liked.
Okay.
Boys or girls. I didn't have time for that. I was doing my handstands.
So you were always like this. Your earliest memories is you being an extrovert, being an artist, and...
Until I started to always get bullied then for... I remember I also have a really good memory of me being at a sleepover, and I was in love with gymnastics, and I also loved my leotards.
So,
because they had like flames and glitter, whatever. And I remember once in a sleepover with my friends, I whipped out my leotard thinking they're going to think it's the coolest thing ever. And I'm like, guys, look at my leotard. It's so cool. And then I went into school the next day, and it was the joke of the whole that I was there in my leotard. I didn't think it was I didn't think leotard, gay, bad. I'm going to get bullied.
Okay.
And then
you assume that they're going to love it.
It was a cool leotard, shiny. I was 8, probably, maybe a bit younger.
Kif skoprejt li qed jitnejku bik?
Because everyone started to go, Pufta, gay. We had also San Andrea and... No, this was much later, though. San Andrea and San Antonio was divided by a fence.
All right.
The bullying just from that point on till I left San Antonio, they'd like throw stones across. Pufta! Even though I wasn't out. I didn't come out until I'm 21. Okay. But I was such a flamboyant kid. I was so extra as a kid. I'd do the dance routines, just as so many kids do. Dance routines in front of the TV. You don't think anything of it, you're just living your kid fantasy. And then there are the other kids who, I don't know, want to attack that.
How did it affect you?
I don't think I understood exactly what was happening in the moment. I just thought, okay, leotard, don't do that again. I definitely knew that as a kid, and I won't show my friends my really cool leotard again. But it was then, as you get older and I was always very popular with girls. I'd always have a girlfriend. Sometimes I had 3 girlfriends at one go.
And they all knew?
I used, for a shout out, Maria, Lara, Petra. I used to call them MLP. I didn't know it was Malta Labour Party, but I used to go MLP, and they'd come, my girlfriends. I would stay kissing on the cheek, and the boys would hate me because I was like the Hugh Hefner of my school.
Why did you do that?
I loved being around women and girls, boys. Boys didn't really want to be my friends, growing up, at least at school.
Did you try to make friends with boys?
I sucked at football. It really wasn't my thing. I'd go on the football pitch and do my handstand sometimes. Maybe they'd accept me, but no. So that was my safety net. The girls will talk about, again, at that point.
Imma inti kont tipperċepihom bħala t-tfajliet tiegħek?
No, I always had a girlfriend. At one point, probably for a week, I had 3.
Sewa, imma daw il-girlfriends kont għajdilhom isma' trid toħroġ miegħi.
I'd be like, you want to be my girlfriend? And they'd be like, yes. But the girls loved me. Again, you saw what I looked like. Cute.
Yes.
So...
Okay, but was it like some sort of game that was going on?
No, I thought it was maybe a safety net. Again, you can't call me gay if I have a girlfriend.
Okay, so that was part of it.
That was it.
All
I'm
right.
not going to puffed out. I don't have one
So
girlfriend.
that was part
I have
of it.
3.
2, did you prefer hanging out with girls iktar milli ma' subien?
Back then, yes, it was more.
Għalfej, għax id-dispożizzjoni tagħhom kienet
I
iktar
didn't really
kongruenti.
know. I didn't really know any better.
Okay.
Obviously, at that age, I also would fight with my brother every single day because we're brothers and we're 8 and he's 2 years older than me. So
Okay, what did you fight over?
the TV remote mostly.
Okay,
I'd
classic.
throw it,
Yeah,
stitches
the
at his
same,
head.
the
Boom,
same.
boom, 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 boom. Me and my brother hated each other right until the age of maybe 16, 17, just like normal.
What do you think motivated this animosity, the enmity between you and your brother?
Who our parents prefer the most?
Kien hemm dil-kompetizzjoni.
At least that's what it would be like. I was obviously being the brilliant actor I am. He's hurting me. Ma, pa. Papach or the belt. Classic. I'm like, you're joking. He's hitting me. And he'll be in his room doing nothing.
Tajjeb,
Thank you.
tajjeb.
Thank you.
Stjek hemm nittama tfal tiegħi mhux fucking li bada iżda raġel.
Thank you. And so I also did a lot of sports. So I was keeping my dad happy and trying to keep like myself happy.
U l-sports għamilhom għamilthom biex iżomm il-papa
No,
kuntent.
to be fair, my dad just let me do every sport I wanted to because I think I drove them crazy because I'd be like, tennis, sure, I was terrible, but it won't just be like, I'd keep on, they'd pay money for me to do tennis. Basketball, okay. Water polo, swimming, gymnastics, judo, but judo me and my brother ran away from. They found us on the bypass walking, so that wasn't a hit. And basketball, what else?
Ma u daw kont qed tipprova dal-sports kollha differenti għax ġenwinament kont qed tipprova tfittex sport li
Either I thought to a school, I was also just trying to find what my passion was. I knew my passion was dance, but I wasn't encouraged to dance.
Okay.
I had asked once, and I think my dad said no.
So at this point you're not doing like dance lessons?
No, I was just doing sports. Like,
Up until what age is this?
I think my dad gave in and said, fine, you can dance or go to stagecoach. 15?
15. Ġveta 15 bdejt training
14, turning
formali.
15. I used to do it at school. San Anton, thankfully, we used to have dance lessons. And so that's as soon as you go to Form 1, you have dance lessons.
Okay.
And me and the like teacher were like,
Kien hemm ġuventur oħra li kien jagħmlu dance lessons?
that's the best. That's what I like today. I meet up with guys at random parties and they're like, I remember you. We used to do that. Like I was 3 years below you and we'd do that dance. We used to have like an awards night and there was always the boys dance. And the boys used to love it. We'd obviously try to break dance, we'd do flips. And it used to bring just 3 years of different age groups, which is kind of unheard of. That's 3 different age groups at that time in secondary school coming together because usually it's our year and that's all. And we'd prepare this dance, we'd plan it for like half of the year.
Okay.
And then do this dance, like what was like the biggest night of our lives.
Ġil fatt li kont parteċipa f'daw l-affarijiet ma kienx jagħmlek iktar paraja. Peras li fil-bidu għat li di tal-leotards kienu.
No, because it was like a very, not Magic Mike because we're freaking 13 years old, but it was very manly dance. It was very like backflip, break dance. Yeah.
Power moves and things of.
It was like, you know, flying over each other and this and that. It wasn't.
But you had
ballet.
gymnastics, right?
I had gymnastics, so I was always also, and I also loved dancing, and the teacher could tell I love dancing. So I was always, at a point, I even choreographed the whole thing for all of the guys.
Okay.
So that was kind of my thing where I'd bond with the guys. They wouldn't, you know, then they kind of became like,
Okay.
yeah, you're cool, you're fine.
All right. So there were moments where you felt like you were included.
Yes. On, I think, Form 4. Oh, wait, how many forms are there?
5.
5. Form 4 and Form 5. It's when I was just like accepted by all the guys and all the girls. It was happy family.
All right. Ġita Form 4 sirt parti mill komunità.
Yes. With in my school, in my bubble.
Sewa. Kellek ċirku ta' ħbieb.
Yes, good.
Minn Form 1 sa Form 3 kienet diffiċli.
I think it was also more of an internal. I started to figure out I was gay. I started to think I was gay. And I think at that point, Form 1, with my friends or me alone, personal battle, which one would you?
Well, whichever box you'd like to open is up to you.
So with friends, I obviously never told them. I was like, maybe think, you know, at that age, you're not like, I think I might be gay. Maybe they do now, thankfully. But so I just kept all of that with myself.
Okay.
I definitely thought I was gay.
But you had to thing you were contemplating.
Yes, I had these like. I knew even before I thought I was gay. I knew people around me might have thought I was gay. I had a family friend who was a priest at the time who sat me down and tried to guide me in the right direction. And there was like, I think, if I remember correctly, it was a long time ago. I must have been looking at boys in their Speedos or swimming. I was very young. I didn't even know. But I knew what I did was wrong. So I had this like thing of like, I can't remember much. I just remember family friend who was a priest sitting me down.
And did he sit you down on his own accord? U id-deċida li ħajpoġġuk bil-qeda jew ommok missirek għalulu sma Għanna t-tifel, naħseb ta' ħares li ġuventu.
20 years ago, I don't really know. I mean,
I would have
I can't
imagined
imagine
it was
him
like-
just coming into my house alone.
This was in your
But
house?
he was a family friend, though. He was always kind of there.
Do you remember anything about that conversation?
No, I just remember he sat me down
Uh-huh.
and he told me like, you're having maybe bad thoughts, or I clearly remember being sat down by this man.
U għet najdu 12, 13? ċirka?
Maybe even a bit younger.
Maybe, okay. All right.
I had a lot at that time of like in my head. I'm leading, let's say, down a certain path which I know is very bad, and I need to somehow figure out how to change that.
Wow.
Growing up, I always had that. It got quite a bad.
That must have fucked with your head, Mo.
No, to like really bad points of crying myself to sleep, and it from church and all of these different things where your childhood ends up being a thing of it is so wrong what you're feeling,
Yeah.
and you either change it or, you know, people calling you puffed up, people this, okay, it must be fucking bad, it must be true. People, all you have on television, the representation of gay people would be very big caricatures of gay people, very
Loud, boisterous. Karikatura. Fimtek jena.
So I didn't really even have good representation of what I should be like, not what I should be looking at, but it was always made fun of. It was always made fun of to be gay.
Mela, tlaqna?